Hi guys, me and Marshall are back at it today. We're going to do a review on this massive flashlight that I found at Building Supply. It's the Nebo Davinci 18,000. Claiming 18,000 lumens. I doubt that. But we're going to open it up. Check out that dude, man. That's an equalizer there. So this is a rechargeable light. That's the battery cell. It's the 26650 1, 2, 3 cells. And it says that it's waterproof. And it's rechargeable. So, we'll open that up. And this is your charging port. Right there. And as you're charging, this in and ring will light up solid green when it's fully charged. So it has a high setting, medium, and low. And we're gonna see what it does. Let's check it out. That's pretty dang bright. Wonder how long it'll last. Let me turn the light out. Holy crap. That is bright. Okay, that's in high, medium, and low. So, I'm going to set it here, and it does get hot. I'm going to set it there, and we're going to see how long this battery will last. 248. So, we'll check it out, and we'll see how long that battery lasts. Okay, in the packaging it has a lanyard, which I'm not sure why you need a lanyard on that. Use it as a walking cane. And it has a USB to USB-C. And still going. So we'll see how long it lasts. Me and Marshall see how long it'll last. Huh, Marshy? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. It does get hot. Oh! It just went down, probably to medium. And one thing I forgot, you can adjust the beam. To ginormous. To that. I wish it would go just a little bit sharper. Well, it seems like it goes forever on medium. Fast charge, or high, it seems to go out in about 5 minutes. But we're going to charge it up, and after it cools off. So that's the Davinci 18,000. Pretty cool light. I don't know if I would spend that much again on it, but it was there, so why not? Hope you guys enjoyed it. I like it. It was expensive. I don't like that. So you guys have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye. This is the camera, or not the camera, the flashlight.